Kills and eats the pus of a cockroach. This encounter sparks a metaphysical epiphany, wherein a humanoid insect perspective unfolds. For it is from this vantage point, the spectre suggests that we can truly see life looking back at us. In this desert of seeing, the human body lies within the cosmic body of the whole, the body that is no longer human. Sending out widening concentric circles while reciting their names. The nymph fountain squirted spring water into my mouth. With the help of Clarice Lispector, I would remake Maya Deren's film in the form of a trans-Danubian polymorphic romance. I was near them. I could go there. I was going to work with the Danube dwellers, the underground beings who smuggled you into deep time. I was going to know Deren through the spirit of the Dacian queen. My film would become all that there is to know about the history of the unfilmable. It would start here. The CEU was a ghost university, empty wooden conference rooms that led into hallways illuminated by dim lanterns. A bygone era of free education and street activism. There was a sensation of systemic control. The uprising was far away. No escape routes, except those that were imperceptibly forming in the bathhouses and among the residents at the cafes. I would call upon the swarm for aid. They would sail us across the Danube, then the Tisa River, before arriving to Transcarpathia, Krivorivnia, onwards. Shosha blew on my earlobe and woke me from my sulfuric reverie. She silently gestured to the bath-stoned and tiled floor in the cooling pool. I looked down and saw swirling patterns. I lowered my head into the water and dived to the bottom. My hands touched the engravings. I saw tableau vivant, a cinematic animation of humans with owl heads accompanied by gazelles crossing a great river. The gazelles were flying and the owl humans swam. They appeared to travel as a pack. I touched these swirling indented engravings as I noticed a low frequency hum that gradually rose in pitch. I leapt up to the surface of the water and broke it. Shosha had vanished. The bath was empty of bathers. There were only pinpricks of light filtering through the domed roof, which danced across the surface of the water. If you are looking for childhood reminiscences and familial narratives, you won't find them here. This is a leap into deep space. In the Lukash path, there are signs on the walls that say, silence, heal. I learned the art of the silent soliloquy from the mute Shosha and from the Hungarian film historian Bela Balázs. These baths are mostly visited by the local intelligentsia. The men on either side of me look like Jacques Derrida, a good philosopher for these times, or a good bath philosopher, since he summons the spectral, the phantasmagorial lich of time leagues. The bath philosophers' silvery heads bob up and down in the cooled water. Their eyes are focused on some distant detail of the broken wall tiles, hands on their face, lost in thought. Not talking, silently soliloquying. Thoughts seem to be of a different order when they are summoned here. However cerebral you are, a thought in here is not tied to a thing, nor to an attitude. 'Tis a troubadour thinking. Think Sergei Parajanov's bath scene in Color of Pomegranates, the cinematic summoning of the 18th century troubadour poet Sayat Nova. Recall the bathers in those medieval Georgian baths, their expressions of indescribable bliss, evoking a homoerotic dreamtime. Essential awakening among the communal spirit of the bathers. For it is in these baths that their minds and bodies can freely cruise. They dance around the shooting fountain, bodies in malleable, toned warrior forms, massaging each other's temples, mouths kissing the damp floor, knees bent, backs bent over, limbs intertwined, feet rotating
Mais faut gérer toi, ne garde pas. Honnête, punico, qui venait me chercher, il me disait, viens, sois à moi, ne crains rien, ce n'est pas de ta faute. fois j'irai toi, un garçon comme toi. Honnête, pénible, qui me chercher et me disait, viens sois à moi, ne crains rien, ce n'est pas ta faute. Une fois j'irai toi, un garçon comme toi. Honnête, pénible, qui me chercher et me disait, viens sois à moi, ne crains rien, ce n'est pas ta faute.
moonbeams play around my bed, and 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 moonbeams play around my bed, glittering like hoarfrost to my wandering eyes. Upwards, the glorious moon, I raise my head, then lay me down, and thoughts of home arise.
床前明月光，疑是地上霜。举头望明月，低头思故乡。床前明月光，疑是地上霜。举头望明月，低头思故乡。床前明月光，疑是地上霜。举头望明月，低头思故乡。床前明月光，疑是地上霜。举头望明月，低头思故乡。床前明月光，疑是地上霜。举头望明月，
fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun warmth, you and light, soft mind. Don't cry, spin fast, slow down. Sun